A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a dramatic turn of events, prominent Ugandan opposition figure Kizza Besigye appeared in a military court in Kampala after being reported missing for several days in neighboring Kenya. Besigye, a staunch critic of President Yoweri Museveni, denied charges of seeking military support from abroad to destabilize Uganda's military forces. His appearance in court has raised serious concerns about human rights and the treatment of opposition figures in Uganda. Besigye, who has a long history of political activism and has contested 4 presidential elections, appeared in court without legal representation and in a cage, a shocking sight for his supporters. He rejected the government's offer of legal counsel, insisting that he should be tried in a civilian court, as he is not a member of the armed forces. The charges against him also included possession of an illegal firearm, which he similarly denied. Besigye will remain in custody until December 2nd, alongside fellow opposition member Haj Lutel Kamulijia, who also denied wrongdoing. The circumstances surrounding Besigye's reappearance are troubling. His wife, Winnie Byanyima, who is the executive director of UNAIDS, claimed that he had been kidnapped in Nairobi during a book launch event and subsequently detained in a Ugandan military jail. The Ugandan government has remained silent on the matter, while Kenyan officials have denied any involvement in the incident. Kenyan Foreign Affairs Permanent Secretary Career Singoei stated that Kenya was not involved in Besigye's alleged kidnapping. However, Besigye's lawyer, Arias Lukwego, who is also the mayor of Kampala, expressed deep concern over the violation of Besigye's rights in a sovereign state like Kenya. He emphasized that it is unacceptable for the Kenyan government to take no action against Uganda for violating its territorial integrity. This incident has reignited discussions about human rights abuses in Uganda under Museveni's long-standing regime, which has faced criticism from various human rights organizations for its treatment of opposition figures. Besigye's case has also drawn attention from the Kenyan National Commission on Human Rights, which has expressed concern over the allegations of forced deportation and abduction of opposition members. As the court proceedings continue, the political landscape in Uganda remains tense. Besigye's history of opposition to Museveni's rule has made him a target for government repression, and this latest incident underscores the precarious situation for political dissenters in the region. The international community is watching closely as the situation unfolds, with calls for accountability and respect for human rights growing louder. Besigye's supporters are rallying behind him, demanding his release and an end to the government's oppressive tactics. The implications of this case extend beyond Uganda, raising questions about the relationship between Uganda and Kenya and the treatment of political dissidents in East Africa. As the hearing progresses, the spotlight remains on the Ugandan military court and the broader implications for democracy and human rights in the region. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.